Welcome to Mandarin Monkey lesson when.
当的时候。
Firstly, we'd like to say a quick thanks and a shout out to Kaikai Kyle who had suggested we do this lesson on when.
就是你了，Kaikai Kyle，这是为了你的课当的时候。
So we want this lesson to be a lot quicker than the last one, so we're going to get started right away. There are 4 ways of saying when in Chinese.
4个。第一个。
Number 1.
当
Sentence.
的时候。第二个。当
Sentence.
时。第3个。
Sentence.
的时候。第4个。
Sentence.
时。
Right, you got it. Okay, let's give you some examples of these words.
好，一样给你4个例句。第一个例句，当我年轻的时候。
When I was young.
当
When
我年轻
I was young.
的时候。
When.
第二个例子，当你打电话给我的时候。
When you called me.
当
When.
你打电话给我
You gave me a call.
的时候。
When.
第3个例子，当我难过的时候。
When I'm upset.
当
When.
我难过
I'm upset.
的时候。
When.
第4个例子，当电影结束的时候。
When the film was finished.
当
When.
电影结束
The film was finished.
的时候。
When. We just want to make very, very clear that there are 4 ways of saying when in Chinese, although the most common, or most commonly, you can omit the word
当
and just say the word.
的时候。
So for example, if I was to say when I was young, I might say,
我年轻的时候。
if I was to say when I'm upset, I might say,
我难过的时候。
so you can see omitting the first word
当
and just saying the last one,
的时候。
you can get away with in conversational Chinese.
耶、
Yeah.
And 的时候 and the word 时 they are the same. So also you can say when I'm upset 我难过的时候 Also you can say 我难过时 they are the same.
So does
Yeah.
does that apply for all sentences?
Yes.
Can you replace 的时候 and 时 every time?
Yes. For example, 当我年轻的时候，我年轻的时候，我年轻时 they
When I
are
was young,
all
right?
the same.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool. All right, so we're going to go have a quick practice time now, and then if you have any questions, please ask in the comments below.
加油！拜拜。
It's practice time. Repeat the sentences. When I was young.
当我年轻的时候，当我年轻时，我年轻的时候，我年轻时。
When the movie was finished.
当电影结束的时候，当电影结束时，电影结束的时候，电影结束时。
When I was upset.
当我难过的时候，当我难过时，我难过的时候，我难过时。
When you gave me a call.
当你打电话给我的时候，当你打电话给我时，你打电话给我的时候，你打电话给我时
Bye, guys.
guys.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. If you like what you see, please like.
喜欢
If you want to see more of our videos, please subscribe.
订阅 and we both love to teach, so liking and subscribing can help us make more video to help you learn Mandarin.
It really can. If you want us to teach you anything specific, please leave a comment below or just drop us a mail. Alright, thanks very much, guys.
Bye bye.
再见